Buon appetito. This is a phrase commonly said to anyone who's eating a meal in Italy from their host or server. It translates to enjoy your meal. I learned this phrase from a restaurant that I work at currently. And over the last 2 years, I've worked at an Italian wood-fired pizzeria called Adobo. This is where I've learned a lot of Italian different food etiquettes, and I want to talk to you about those food etiquettes today. So understanding the importance of food in international cultures is extremely relevant to all of us because whether it's through academics or different business opportunities, we're all probably going to travel internationally. And especially in Italy, since they put so much importance on food and dining together, they put a lot of importance on the different etiquettes that go along with that. So today I want to inform you about the different Italian etiquette rules while dealing with either business associates or students. So I'll do this through explaining 3 main rules. First, how to drink coffee in Italy. Second, the importance of dining and food in Italy. And third, what to talk about at dinner. First, let's talk about how to drink coffee in Italy. To start, Italians don't really drink coffee like Americans do. You can't really just go and order a coffee and just get a 12-ounce drink. They focus more on espresso-based drinks, so cappuccinos, lattes, or just shots of espresso. In 2013, a Huffington Post article stated, "Drink a cappuccino in the morning, but don't drink one as an accompaniment to food or to finish a meal with." So basically, you don't want to drink a cappuccino at lunch or dinner. If you do want to drink coffee, most Italians, they will order a shot of espresso with sparkling water after a meal. And this is an acceptable way to drink coffee after a meal. So now that you know how to drink coffee in Italy, let's talk about the importance of food and dining. In 2013, the Italian Concierge Travel Agency stated, "In Italian culture, the act of dining is still sacred. It is a way to bond with each other. In American culture, sharing a meal has lost its importance." This is important to understand because when you go to a dining experience with an Italian friend or an associate, you need to plan ahead. So they put a lot of importance on food and dining, so a meal could take anywhere from 3 to 4 hours. You definitely won't be dining on American time where we try to get in and out as quickly as possible, particularly around 1 to 2 hours. So now that you know a little bit about the importance of dining and food in Italy, let's talk about what you want to actually say while you're at dinner. In 2015, the etiquette scholar said, depending on how well developed your relationship is with an Italian colleague, dinner is generally not the best time for business talk. So this is the importance of dinner and food that Italians have for meals is they actually want to laugh and enjoy a delicious meal with you rather than put the focus on serious business talks or other matters like that to distract you from enjoying the table with your colleagues. However, if you do want to talk about business during a meal, then I suggest, or studies suggest, that talking about business during breakfast or lunch is a great opportunity to do that and is more acceptable. So now that you know about dinner, let's recap. Today I've informed you about 3 main Italian food etiquettes. First, how to drink coffee in Italy. Second, the importance of food and dining in Italy. And third, what to talk about at dinner. So now that you know these rules, you can travel internationally with confidence. You can go to Italy with confidence. You have an arsenal to fit right in at the table to make yourself seem like you know what you're doing while dining internationally. In closing, one thing that I've learned while working at the restaurant is how to say goodbye properly in Italian, which would be ciao a dopo.